In this section, we cover the RPL Orientation Guide's portfolio of evidence requirements. Welcome to Financial Advisor RPL program. The main topics to be covered are as follows. We will talk about portfolio of evidence requirements, proving what you can already do, and RPL portfolio of evidence structure. This is followed by the evidence requirements and assessment requirements. This includes both internal and external assessment. Good evidence is, as per the South African Qualifications Authority requirements, valid is the evidence related to what is being assessed. Current is the evidence as recent as possible. Sufficient is there enough evidence to prove the competence without overkill? Authentic has the task been conducted by the candidate him or herself in a real-life work environment or acceptably simulated environment? How do you prove what you already can do? Your employer and the skills development provider, SDP, will support you in gathering evidence to prove you have the necessary knowledge and skills. You will be working with their employer and SDP to identify evidence you may already have, for example, work documents, testimonials from previous employers, samples of your work, etc., evidence that needs to be collected by the assessor, for example. The assessor may observe you completing a task or ask you questions to confirm your knowledge. The SDP will help you understand what evidence is and what specific types of evidence might be suitable to gain the qualification you are pursuing. Evidence for RPL is not limited to existing documents you already have. Evidence can take several forms and might include any combination of questioning. The assessor may give you written questions or interview you and ask questions verbally. Observation of practical tasks. The assessor may observe you performing tasks in the workplace, in a simulated environment, in the classroom, or any combination of locations. Finished products, items you have produced in your work, which could vary from food you have cooked to reports you have written. Presentations, the assessor observing presentations made by you. Video and/or audio, taped evidence, showing you completing tasks. Third-party reports. References or answers given by third parties to questions from the assessor, providing examples of your work ability relating to the standards. This can be verbal or in writing. Documents, such as relevant qualifications transcripts, project plans and reports, minutes of meetings, correspondence, resources developed. Anything else that you or the RPL assessor can think of that is relevant and proves your competence. You should decide with your RPL assessor the specific types of evidence to be collected, the timelines for submission of evidence, and what form the submission should take. The RPL Portfolio of Evidence for 105026, Occupational Certificate, Financial Advisor, consists of various sections. Section A Index. Section B Personal Details. Section C Qualification Exit Level Outcomes and Assessment Criteria. Section D Candidate Evidence Requirements. Section E Evidence Locator Grid, and Section F Portfolio Review. Evidence Requirements. Each exit level outcome, ELO, of evidence contains several assessment activities. You will be required to complete the 3 areas of evidence per ELO. Interview questions, practical assignment, natural occurring workplace evidence, additional historical evidence, if any. Please make sure all steps for the portfolio activities are shown where required. Tip: get a lever arch file and place 6 file divisions into it. We suggest that your portfolio is organized into 6 sections. No section may be left out. Please make use of the templates and checklists provided to ensure your portfolio of evidence is complete. Refer to the first section of the portfolio guide for administrative documents that must be included in your portfolio of evidence. Refer to the portfolio checklists to assist you in structuring your portfolios in an assessment-friendly manner. 2.4 RPL Assessment Requirements. The process of RPL requires the candidate to produce a balance between current and historical naturally occurring evidence as proof of ability to apply the skill and knowledge that the candidate has obtained through various media of learning. The RPL process also requires the candidate to reflect on the learning and application that has ensued and assesses the candidate's level of in-depth understanding and knowledge of the subject matter. 2.5 External Assessment. You will sit for their external assessment once you have been declared competent on their internal assessment. Their external assessment will be conducted through an External Integrated Summative Assessment, EISA, which is an examination that is written under invigilation at a designated examination center approved by INSETA as their assessment quality partner. Their examination will be in form of a question paper that has a combination of questions, ranging from multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and case study-based long answer questions. Once you are declared competent on internal assessment, you will be required to write a mock examination administered by the training provider. This will be part of your preparation for the EISA. Upon successful completion of the mock examination, you will sign a learner readiness form declaring that you are ready for EISA. INSETA will administer the examination process, but certification will be done by the QCTO. The EISA examination are conducted in the following months: May, August, November. Thank you for watching.